I'm not going for just fame and money. I don't seek those things because I feel those are very temporary. And I'm just looking for using my music in the best way to bring people together and also to make them happy and forget about their lives while they're listening to music. I was always having this dream of being a musician, and but my father's dream was to have me be a computer scientist and a business MBA. And so that nagged me for nearly 20 years. And I wasn't happy, but I was just going through the motions. So that's what drew me back. The most difficult part of coming back, I think, was the first day of classes. I arrived at the center of campus. I knew where the building was, but I saw a sea of really young faces, and they looked to me like children. and I thought the only thing that I was thinking for the next 20 minutes as I walked around campus was, did I look this young when I started school? So that to me was the hardest part. The rest of it was surprisingly easy. What I thought would be hard, all the things I thought would be hard, turned out to be really easy. It's very important to remember that a degree gives you some theoretical knowledge, maybe some practical exposure, but there's one thing that a degree cannot give you, and I think it's being able to think for yourself and make decisions for yourself. Follow your passion. And the only person who can answer that question for you is yourself. You don't have to ask your parents or your best friend or your girlfriend or boyfriend. Once you have that passion and you feel it really deeply in your heart, you have to follow it no matter what happens. You have to overcome all obstacles. So that determination to push yourself through all obstacles is very, very important. And that gives you your purpose in life.